Hi, I'm Tricia Morris at Club Scrap, and I'm very excited to introduce you to our latest new collection. This one's called the Petals Remix. Let's take a look at what comes in that box. Now, as you probably already know, the centerpiece of every Club Scrap collection is our paper. And we're starting out with this stunning script print. So it has this really soft script in the background, and then we have our gorgeous pink florals in the foreground. And then the other all over print, we're calling this just our floral print. So stunningly beautiful and perfect for those scrapbook pages. Then to complement that, we have some lovely cover weight stocks, including 3 sheets of this light green, 3 sheets of this beautiful dark pink, 3 light pink, and then 3 dark green. Now you're going to want to finish your pages, and we help you with that as well by including 2 sheets of printed cut aparts. Now these contain everything you need to finish your pages quickly and easily. Like you need some border strips to anchor things down, you need journaling prompts, you need complementary images, and we've got all of that in these printed cut aparts included in the box. One of my favorite ways to embellish my pages is with ribbon, and we have some lovely selections included in the Petals Remix. We've got this 3/8 inch, it's got like a metallic in there, a metallic silver satin ribbon, and then we have a grosgrain edged pink satin, as well as this really wide, beautiful green silk ribbon. Then other goodies in the box include 3 of these really sweet sequiny flowers, a half a dozen of these silk flower petals, 3 of these sparkling pinwheel gems, and 2 frosted bags with this clever string closure. Now, if you're a little concerned about how you're going to turn all of those beautiful materials into scrapbook pages, don't worry, Club Scrap has you covered. We provide you with a printable download of instructions that go into every little detail you need to know on how to transform all the papers and embellishments into completed pages. It's just a 4-page document, but all the information is there. And we also support that with a full video workshop. So you never are without guidance, a little hand-holding if you want it, to help you complete those pages. Let's take a look at the pages this collection will make. Here we have our first double-page spread, incorporating some of those cut aparts. We've got those little petals there with the gem right in the middle on both sides of the layout. I love that. The next set of pages features those cool little sequins. So again, you can see we have plenty of room for photos, but we've used all of the items that came in the box. Here in this next one, I'm using that cut apart to create my page title, so it's done in an instant. And then here I was able to stuff the frosted envelope with one of the pieces of art from the cut apart as well. And finally, layouts 7 and 8, once again featuring the other frosted bag, a really clever way to attach ribbon, and plenty of room for your photos and memories. Now, we have a limited supply of these Petals Remix kits in stock, so make sure you grab yours today. Can't wait to see you in class.